Hi guys, it's been a minute. So I'll try to be quick. There's kind of a lot of stuff going on in the notebook that I've kind of left you hanging. This was the first thing since the last video. One of the things we talked about was one of our reading skills, which is picturing the details of events in your head. And after the Gilgamesh monster description, that's what I got. A lot of you got other interesting monsters as well. That was on August 23rd. The 27th through the 31st was this warm-up and these questions. The warm-up itself was about the Marshall Plan and how it saved Europe from economic and political disaster. So there's that side and there's that side. There were 4 questions for the week. I'll try to take some pictures and put up the pictures on eClass so you can see them. Next reading skill, which was August 27th, was recognizing how an author characterizes the protagonist and other characters. And we spent a lot of time on your characterization and making inferences and all of that kind of thing. We looked at a couple movie clips. Those are on eClass. One was from Mean Girls and one was from Breakfast Club. We also talked about how to read literature like a professor. Everybody should have this sheet in there. And we had a little discussion about that. One more note on the vocabulary pages. You need to have 5. I've got 4 so far, so I'll work on my 5th one tonight. But this is the 4th one I've got in here. This page is actually on eClass, so you can see it, figure out exactly what you need to put in there, and get those in. We also have another warm-up from September 4th through the 7th. It was when American presidents curtailed constitutional rights. We had a couple questions over here, and then I forgot and kind of took up my page with the Jerry's Game video. And your last question was over here, and all it was vocabulary. You can probably see them. There was curtail, predecessor, and I can't read backwards, suspended. So that was it. We also talked about the difference between inferences and observations. There is a video called Jerry's Game. It's from Pixar. And we just made some inferences watching the game, or watching the video of Jerry playing a chess game with himself. The last thing in here was from today. And it simply says the book talks will start next week. You guys are going to be responsible for coming in and telling the rest of the class about your book, and maybe drum up some interest for whoever might want to read the book next. And that is about it. One other thing, hang on, that I have that we did. This was your inference sheet for when you're reading, whatever book you happen to be reading right now. Most people are finished with this or have at least started on it. In case you're confused about it, I did one for my own book that's on the other side. My answers, your answers go here. And since we were talking about the book talk, I'm going to go ahead and make copies for everybody, so you don't, get nervous and don't know what to say and stumble over yourself. You can write it all down first. And if you weren't in class today, I showed everybody how to do that with a book called My Heart and Other Black Holes, which a few people seem to be interested in, so maybe we can start there. And that is about it. Have a great day.